Musumbi William Ruto niwaelesya Kana Imanyisyo Mbingi Sya Yiulu si muisyoni wa Kuvingwa kumana na walanyo mukuu ula unatumiawa kutwiika maundu ma kisomo imanyisyoni Sya Yiulu vala waelesya Kana silikali nene kwisila muvea wa kisomo nikuendeea kwailya walanyo mweu wa kukwata mbau amanyiwa ala meusomea imanyisyoni Sya Yiulu. Ruto anena chathini cha miongo 59 cha kwikia ngovia amanyiwa alamami na masomo kimanyisyoni cha Scott Christian University kila kimomboni kauntini ya Masaku. Daniel Mwangala ni wavika chathini kina atumbanisya mauvoa.
Aine na kimanyisyoni kinene cha Scott Christian University kila kiva momboni ukamba wa Masaku. President William Ruto niwaelesya Kana silikali yake kwisila muvea wa kisomo nende na kuthinikia mathina alame kuombelete walanyo wa kutwiika kisomo imanyisyoni Sya Yiulu unulotumite Imanyisyo Mbingi Sya muisyoni wa kuthela na weta kana yu ni maminite kuvotha ilovia sya kuyana sya kuthinikia thinosu.
The old model almost brought many of our universities to closure. I know this university suffered a great deal. I am aware that this university was temporarily closed for a few months. And it was not right, because we were responsible for the huge debt of 460 million owed to this university. And it is the reason why it cannot be business as usual. We cannot continue the way we have been doing before. It is not right that we continue a model that has created huge debts. And that is why I am deliberate, I am intentional, and I am focused on making sure that we have a model that does not again take our university education to where we have it with 120 billion debt. I am very clear in my mind, and I have worked with all the vice chancellors to make sure that we have a model that makes university education accessible but puts it on a sound financial footing.
Ivindani yu Musumbi Dr. William Ruto ni wenda uungame wa imanyisyo sike vuthukani vanthi ya Kenya umanenge amanyiwa ivinda ya kwika mutiani silikali yende na uthinikia walanyo mweu wa kutwiika kisomo maitha maminite kwivandivisya skulu.
As we navigate the changes brought about by the transition to the student-centered higher education financing model, I urge universities to exercise patience and understanding with students. The spirit of human consideration is especially critical given the additional challenge posed by litigation, which could disrupt the implementation of the model. Therefore, I appeal to universities to allow students to sit for their end of semester examination while awaiting the resumption of full disbursements once the process gives direction on the matter.
Ukaivinanila unenani muvi wende na kukila amanyiwa imanyisyoni Sya Yiulu maende na unteta undu walanyo wa kutwiika kisomo wende na utwaiwa aingimo mataeso kwata utwiko sukuvika ona umundi. Daniel Mwangala, Mutungu TV, kumuvaki imanyisyoni cha Scott, kauntini ya Masaku.